Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah.
There it is, guys. There we go. 2020 GT500. God, all right. I'm looking at the screen. I need to look at it. And this is beautiful, bro.
Mm-hmm. I just sit here and just kind of look at it too. Like, this splitter's not on. This bottom splitter's not on it because just in case we wanted to preserve the car a little bit.
Yeah.
I have my hat in there. You can throw it in the back. But yeah, that's. It looks just so.
Oh, it's freezing.
Yeah, it is cold. Can you imagine when we give the keys to somebody with this?
Oh my God.
Like, that's gonna be just amazing.
I like these base wheels.
Yeah.
I do. I like them. All right, guys. Here we go. We're gonna have our first little trip.
We started up.
Oh, this thing is wide.
Isn't it so wide? It's wide.
It's not gonna come off on camera very well, but there is. Oh, it's got some hips.
Yeah. It's bigger in the front than almost in the back.
Trying to hold the camera steady. It's freezing and my adrenaline is like, my blood's pumping. Yeah, fired up. It sounds a bit like a 350. Yeah.
Because we did
little
that.
safety feature. So we push these guys in.
Push
Okay.
in and then just laps out normal like a normal F-150. It's a little heavier than you probably expecting.
Come on. Oh yeah, it is. But for the first time in a Mustang, we don't have a prop rod. Here we go. There we go. 760 horsepower. That strut brace is intense. All right. Coolest feature ever. I haven't even sat in your new seats. The regular seats. Woo. This color's fire. Green is my favorite, I think. Look at that. Fire. This is pretty cool. So Sync 3 has been updated. This is pretty much the new look. You guys are very familiar. If you have this in your car, still same amount of lag, but everything, even the navigation, it's all a little different. Apps, forward pass, all that stuff's pretty cool. Audio, but yeah, it's mostly the same, but let's see the settings. Might be about the same. Display, what do we got? Background. Oh, look at that. Let's go that one. That's kind of carbon fiber looking. We'll keep that. Okay, that's pretty sweet.
You good?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's go.
Turn right onto 73 North. Turn right now.
We are chasing down a 2020 GT500 in a 2020 GT500. Heading to a meetup spot, following staying mode in his new 2020 Shelby. I'm also driving in a 2020 Shelby. His is green, mine is white. These paddles are so responsive. This thing grips! Oh my goodness!